What's up, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to be discussing trying to cover my edges with this Perfect Edges Black by Cream of Nature. I've been dealing with postpartum shedding for the last few weeks now, maybe the last month. I had my son January 21st, and I heard all these little rumors about, okay, you usually start going through it 3 to 6 months after you have your child. No, everything that is supposed to be statistically correct is not for my postpartum issues. Okay, I am going through postpartum shedding now. I've already, well, you don't want to know that, never mind. So yeah, I'm just applying the product here. It's taking me forever to get a good coat, get good coverage, as you can see. All right, I'm having to keep going in and keep going in and keep going in and keep going in, child. It's a lot, okay? It's a lot. And it looks pretty good at first, you know. It looks pretty good. It looks like it's completely different. And it's a look at first. It's a look, okay? Don't get me wrong. It's a look. But it just, well, you'll see the results. Just stay tuned. Just keep watching.
One eternity later.
Yes, so one eternity later is not an exaggeration, okay? You have to keep going in with this stuff. I know I just said that, but you have to keep going in with this stuff. But then it's crazy because it's borderline barbershop fill-in status if you just go too far, okay? It gets real black real quick, even though it takes a lot of product. Like, it's just, it's a lot, okay? It's a lot. But like I said, it starts out as a look. Okay, so right here, I'm just comparing the two, the perfect edges, the regular edge control. All right, it's really no major difference. The black one is a little bit more thick, not as greasy. If anybody's tried the perfect edges regular edge control, it gets greasy. On me, it gets real greasy, okay? Um, so I don't really use it because it gets greasy and it doesn't really lay my edges. And as you can see, this did too. Unfortunately, this did too. It got greasy, and this is right out the shower. It's like I didn't even put it on. Okay, so this doesn't perform well under humidity, and it's kind of stained my fingers. Whatever, it is what it is. That's just what happened. This is before and after. It's really, it looks like my edges are just sweaty. This is how my edges look when I sweat. Baby, it was a look at first. It was a look, but as you can see, it didn't stay. It didn't hold. So it's a no for me.